This is Kesman 93.3 FM, a new wave of excellence in radio.
And again, my memory where now, me feel also the eba.
The
not a good deal. Kotokone had to force your mushroom as a when you had his own place in him, and I've lost as an acquaintance. I don't know.
There was something clearly missing in the blasters. Now, Oraki to Krikuba, you know. Or yes, so try to beat me as Adian. But later it became a mere sloganeering. Bring back the love. The blaster no lack the spiritual backing of Ghanaians. And you know, unless I want to say over here Adian. Meaning some mukane no neda so hodia. But recently, the blasters lack the spiritual backing of Ghanaians. It didn't make us. But I couldn't say ye kasi ye disikase na ema blaster afo a ohun te krom ha obi abuofu say I didn't think ye disikase ema blaster place I didn't think ye disikase etwa blaster coaches eka nti again ohun se blaster ebo mancha odo ene pepa ne akomapa enkan kronfo di follow in 2010 ene kwakwo blaster games nene ente sa ombepo game na wi obati obedi na kwa ho na obusa score line no, and a lot of people were not even aware Ghana played the game yesterday. The next point is the Kotoko and the house politics. It is what the previous administration and previous coaches are. Ofa Kotoko bako, no ofa house bako. Echedin. So ofa Kotoko bako na ofa house bako obi anka ho asem. It will say omofa Mohamed Alhassan in the last AFCON abra yeko Dubai and omofa another Kotoko player. Inti yeko ye no ehodin. Obi anka obi asem, and then na vibe no nyina ekoso na campaign din na players prepare for major tournament. But this time has were considered, and you know one who the other side of the Kotoko supported and so has for the beto and now and then now can so be actually say oh thank God and you reach that time that post him. That is another side. Obe who Kotoko supporters so no so coach on Facebook say inti goalkeepers beat say Razak Abelo and Ganiu inti ball yo mu boyi sa players in komo ha omo ntimi mobi Razak Abelo amode bonu ti sa goalkeepers obe mbeda anre nti ono nko ntimi na bi na nso di nchi no ahyew ene mu nsensem aba. You don't see this in major countries that are fully prepared and the whole nation are prepared. Some mo kwa koji AFCON we in see or Cameroon. I'm not saying say other supporters pleasure or modest pleasure about certain players that were called
you know Sierra Leone death threats in Abem.
That is
death threats.
Yes.
In Cameroon.
Yes.
Coach.
No, it's Sierra Leone.
Sierra Leone.
Yes.
Sierra Leone
Yes.
coach. Yeah.
That is different from Kotoko and Heart of Folk. Omo politics.
So they am from a place.
Yes. No, they know way different. So Corinthians and Flamingo supporters raising concern about players that were called into the national team of Brazil different. Say Independiente and a River Plate and I say Boca Juniors and a River Plate raising concern about Lionel Scaloni not calling players different thing. Say Manchester United ni Liverpool raising concern about certain players that were not called to the Three Lions different things. Say Juventus ni AC Milan supporters raising concern about players that were not called into the national team different thing. This time I'm talking about Kotoko and Heart of Folk people. We are not looking at the merit of the callers. We are not looking at say players now here from whom deserve and whom deserve. But we are looking at the fanatism and the other side of it. Intina make us say your friend Felesana and your free Mohamed Alhassan yes the woman in Dubai. You omu free ma actually Ghana lack the spiritual backing and the earlier and penifone by working to get Ghanaians back in the blaster the better. Dear you see Fatah de Maya Nra Newton you know Ashraf Hakimi be better in the game against Morocco. Until you prepare very, very well. So who say you see Fatah toy your flanks no. Only far from ho now you need antidote to that. Now you're consistent in our games from the last AFCON, World Cup qualifies, Africa Cup of Nations qualified to friendly games, sir. The best right back in Africa and one of the best in European football in Ashraf Hakimi will offer you better in the game against Morocco on Monday. Into the children say, your blasters technical bench ni wo adwuma ye e wo ye ben kuma from ho.
Yes, free goalkeepers.
You know, goalkeepers now 7 year. We can only hope for the best. Of the goalkeepers, while cotton na actually say, you know, obetimi aboa kakra. No kure wo mu ne say goalkeepers na omokwa akodam dia bae no. Me amete hai, me nigidie ba kokra wo bia mu. Me nigidie wo bia mu. And you know, I will not me my opinion. I don't think they belong to any safest pair of hands. But per the games I want to tired. What should I say? In the absence of Richard Ofori, he will be better than the goalkeepers available. Until for now, only you be a trying to say games never against Morocco, game never against Gabon, game never against Comoros. Or no, they bet me a year gun and ya, who bet me a demo crama as an amateur. But the reality is that these are no goalkeepers. Obed rely on them so much for AFCON. But out of the 4, I think for me, is the goalkeeper.
Abdul Manaf, and a goal now considered apart from no. Generally, was it that bad?
You know?
Yeah, because Manani and Czech Ramanaf. And China Marita Tabi ni goals via was save why goal bound shots ne. Were you never brave or in a TV so many G2?
Yes.
Or consider a goal yesterday and until more writing off?
You know? Tournament is a different platform. Cameroon players na make me a short pass just see Mudia Bebo Chipo Morton near Bo Vincent Abubakar near Janho. But what they mention tournament na to be who am Bruce or Yengone in Gadu more. That is tournament. Your uncrophobia the platform is clearly different. And it's in Morocco for the players be Bassa 46 or Muntimini, they are the Belgium of African football. Into the no team in fact just go out considering writing off. But I'm saying that our best player in Thomas Partey has struggled in 2 AFCON award. The platform is different. But for me, I think say we should goalkeepers. I'll pick Walcott as my goalkeeper for the Blasters.
All right.
And you know that is there for the goalkeeper. Walcott for me should be our number 1. You know, I mean, a coach, I am suggesting to the technical bench to say Nicolas Amate bought the right side. Amate should be at the heart of our central defense. Amate should be at the heart of our central defense. I want to also obo. And Nicolas Okobo right back. Because your center back on the whole, you know. And of the players available, I agree Jonathan Mensah comes in with huge experience. But what is the state of his current form? He's part of the Blaster because of his previous outings in AFCON and major tournament. But per the performance of Daniel Amate in the Leicester City team and his performance in the Blasters, you know, I feel that Daniel Amate should pay Jiku. And we're heart of your defense. Because all your video na need to hear na. Born Nico can far from one that's a Gideon when some press one and far. A Babe see the middle of the center backs. A Jiku and Jonathan Mensah. Such as the first video now, it was one player as against 5 defenders inside the box. The last video were 2 players of Algeria as against 6 players inside the 18-yard box.
So the Atizigi they go in the channel.
No, you know, anyway, Make need to video now highlighting him.
We are.
Anyway, no highlighting.
And you know, one player box more the.
No, okay, video now. No, net video. And you go on the crown America.
Okay.
But Bonnie could see you see Fatah. And then I say, there you see Fatah the Mayano. The best right back in African football, the enemy born man, they offer better than the you see Fatah the man run. Na Bonnie could find only 18 man. And ni pass na ya na match Baghdad Bonija or whoever is inside the area. One player out of us against 5 players of Ghana. And you know, Jonathan Mensah and the goalkeeper now also the ball on the chair and born there in the midst of food. An intelligent center back will clear the line easily. Bonnie through how back to baby. Near barber cover. Oh yeah, need to video back here. Omodi Bonnie running here through Algeria for 18 but who was the defender and it's a clear ball on the corner. That is how a top center back, an experienced center back, a center back with a consistent pedigree in the African football here. Until I say, Jonathan will call up because of his previous performance and experience when it comes to the African football.
In the current form.
There be. Until me expect to say, the experience so in a park and it's not better than the other players now or more enable. You go more AFCON that.
But you know, 2 no. so Joe so kaya CK start use Benson anan e o two ho e no kofa kotoko net in the game bi na height bi ti no
against Sudan
halfway e no yi no di Nikopoku
Nicholas
e be si ko two ho so a center back for the right back. Is with Milo with Amate
and a chief Fatau by
yes and Fatau by
and Amata.
So Amate seems to be the solution.
I agree he's an upgrade over all the players. But you Mimi a coach center back a very important position at the heart of defense. So 4 and 5 for ya, you know. The right side center back can clear the lines edge that the right side, no. The left sided center back beat me clear the left side yama. I'll prefer
left and one with the 3 goals for you.
No, you are not getting me.
I'll
prefer to have a solid center back pair than having a right center back, a right full backer or you're very good, but me center back in the that is me. Me 4 and 5, Papa dance me 2 4 and 5 for you. Because you know, see exploito from the middle, Obebre and Thomas Tepate is not going to hold our midfield for us. It is going to be about Edusu or Wakasu. Until I'll prefer to be exploited on the lines than to be exploited at the heart of the defense. Until remember Mate Enijuku 4 and 5. And probably my pair right back or beat me at the above. You didn't see any right back, but it's still like, you know, look at the player that were picked for that right back position. Ghana your problem. Now, I think say a midfield not there. We only give them time and hope say Kudus be fit no about be can on ya how your midfield pair ne be. Wakasu is not the Wakasu I used to know, but you know in the AFCON these are the guys that you
Kamal Dean. Kamal Dean, yeah.
Kamal Dean.
You know, on the minim say AFCON yes start here. We only hope so be picky pieces no. Yeah. He's a good player. Kamal Dean, Thomas Tepate, Kudus, Jordan Dede for the AFCON. I'm sure some will be my idea. It's only interesting see she had the big guys no belong to your group now. You be bread and there which is a fact. But you beat me manage Gabon, you beat me manage Comoros in the group and probably qualify to the next near Hopu. See Asia countries in beat me manage Kakra. Any of the cathedrals will struggle because you attack in the crown, you know, I porous.
Before so we attacking, did I remember coach now arrested Barbara Man, Wakasu, Kamal, the Ayew brothers against an Algerian side. Omo ball no similar. Any Morocco Monday, any Morocco. No, but rest is our place. Now I try our guys here. Now Omo feels Omo against Morocco. Why rest a lot of them.
You know, maybe he feels those say we Algeria for almost rest on place in the baby.
Come out there or the Joseph Pencil shame. No person who full strength of Joseph Pencil.
Okay.
And no be who Joseph Pencil. No, I think he's good.
He played. Played.
Well.
You know, Algeria from Benassar started from the bench. Ride Mahrez. Yes. So obviously almost so coach ni believe we say if the day is fit he will start. Jordan is fit he will start. Baba Rahman is fit he will start. Until you give you opportunity to other players no more share. So almost say these players in the almost betting are falling into the shoes. Albania certain players within almost betting are fitting at the account the 6 players on the bench or betting they are starting on Mandana. I think say it was a perfect exercise na Milo yeah. But you know the problems in the war blast them no. And one and right you know attack no and yes sharp. Attack and yes sharp. Very poor, very, very poor. Benjamin Tete mfa, Bechimo Boachi Adom mfa. And you know our players need to back up because we to mean quite from so we compete with the very best with this attack. Untimi. And unfortunately for us, we can only hope our top striker in the AFCON will deliver. That's the day you or pimping beer to know on a penalty abo. And yes, you know our competitors are coming with top quality individuals who have shown consistent quality in the African terrain. Until players need to back up, or Milo may choose to go in for his own system. Yesheba Akwani Abetana Pool Nimsa. We sit on our tentacles to see a weapon. But unfortunately, when you meet teams that create more weight and play expansively, you struggle. Until Milo crafted system a bit in your boana list. Yet in the Akota Hoka Cranaja, gradually a picky pieces in the Aquarium. It is very difficult looking at our team, the individuals, and you know. How you hope to see everything are performing in the AFCON?
Milo UOBB the Etiana preparation so far. I say on your happy preparations. Doha, one of the best places in the Black Stars Squad, the most expensive, very, very expensive place. Doha and the Black Stars Squad. Preparation on you happy with it. And the Jacques score line. We blame you in any way. Coach, you know.
Milo.
Yeah. We have first game here, coach.
Yes. Do you know? Milo ball ya elusu ye Milo ana hwanya nye Milo na hwanya. Also pet coaches. Yim bivu technical bench na ma. Ye de o maba. Eno am te akan. Me si de Milo pe bia ye nyama no. O translator ho, ye de 3 coaches aba, ye de performance analyst aba, ye de video analyst aba, ye de scout aba. Time a oka sa wo de ko no ye de ama wo ko akwa dado hwa. Players ni bi na ka mu ba ko mienu ni miensa. But you know, and as all here bench now, players now on both apart from Kudus, everybody is available. Until when you're happy, say we don't want any flimsy excuse.
My coverage, you know. So I Yugoslav, no an assistant whatever. Go also on the no an assistant 2010. South Africa. Go in the question
answer probably. Until you hear be the amano. Wakache Ghana for you so the Abedi Afcon. It was the reason why he was appointed. So ka so ntimi an maybe nke be kwa five coach or be start a project na dia mai. And they know Ghana for head anim enti no busa bibia na dia ma no. Onya happy uncle can tell them Crawford ye kro ma de ntimi can tell so onya happy because adebi ohia bia has been provided. He must give it the resource.
Match winner tournament no win here $300,000 no. The here na say one team win here na or failure no. Is it the Afcon and
and it was the reason why he was appointed.
Or failure.
Way and qualification to World Cup.
$300,000.
Wow.
The numbers
but amount for Abemabuka crowd. Yeah.
For another game. To be fair. We at said the all year preseason for major tournament.
Yeah.
Untimi na we so enfan kase. Ye kono intimi chobia.
Yeah.
Because ye ball against the best team in Africa. But the children say ye kwa akwaje no ye nto ye boase. The match ne children no. But you can't say we've been beaten by Algeria so we can't beat Morocco. You can't say we've been beaten by Algeria because we can't beat Entimi Comoros. Yentimi Gabon. Gabon for so the hotel and no play about so omo mefo ka be enko. Omo so winning bonus akem to omfo. Ye they are saying yesu ne ye twa dadwa. Gabon for nso.
Ye dey home compare omo prepare ye. Omo bibia ekoso kama e wo omo camp. Men for examples omo brain hwan ye mfia ko ye hwe ni makokoje akoje afko
ye kwa akoje no me se opa omo mkase ye kwa akoje no fa ba ko betena ha ni emusa ne se teams na ye se ye kwa akoje no omo ye ne omo players me no am kan me se ye bafo ya yesu Cote d'Ivoire for no kwa o ka favorite see ye be dey so don be kan about for none of them will start in the Ivorian national team. None of them will start in the Ivorian national team. They've been quiet. Antonio Consansao, Cameroon for coach, or say, for Cameroon be a 26 million population, almost on pay or Sakapon or Deba. The last time they hosted the tournament was way back in 1972. Congo for Libe Chifa almost a moment the Kokoje Afcon by beating Mali in the final. Almost after 50 years, the man should win the Afcon for them. And then Antonio Consansao Waje. A qualification to the Afcon in the group of Rwanda, Mozambique, any Quebec no qualify, and what team said the Ivorian national team and they go playoff. But Cameroon force a massa. Your team way the last time you could do run of 16, and Nigeria force by 3 goals to 2. Your name Guase, but ye host to Afcon, ye dear. Young Cameroon is the only nation among the top teams are Afcon no imagining in Adinoa, homogeneous outside in Quan. Homogeneous outside, almost 5 million homogeneous outside. And again, almost 5 no imagining on the foreign coaches in Nigeria. That is Cameroon. They have a foreign coach now. They're clearing seed of bear the last time many years. This time they must win it. Until feel the pressure of the Cameroonians. And if Sierra Leone, a man for a mad death threat of players, I am for man for Ghana, so the bear. And you know, you two certain teams maybe were your but this is a tournament. Surprises can happen. But again, you know, there are teams out there that are far, far better than us. My and Tambi and 9 fan continue patent.
Okay.
You lower your expectations.
You lower your expectation.